Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Afiq Daniel bin Muhammad Riza. I am an engineering student in Center of Foundation Studies UiTM from group E02. So for community service, we was assigned to teach you guys about productivity software that we have been learned through the semester. Today I'm gonna show you guys tutorial on how to use Google Spreadsheet. Based on this scenario, Madam Sakina had trouble recording student grade data in a systematic way at her school. She has no idea to complete this task by using Google Spreadsheet. She never got the opportunity to learn any productivity software before this. You need to guide her to complete her task based on the following data. As you can see here, we have been given a table data about physics mark for SPM Try 2020, which is consists data about bill, student number, student name, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 marks, total mark of these 3 paper, percentage, and also grade. That's for table 1. For table 2, we have been given a data about grade and percentage. So, in order to complete this task, first and foremost, we have to launch Google Spreadsheet. So you just click on these nine dots, then find Google Spreadsheet down here. Yeah, this one. Click on it. Once it appears, just open a new spreadsheet. This one, blank one. Double click on it. Alright. So first thing first, we you must follow the data given and move it to here. So for A1 cell, which is A1 cell, we just type bill. For B1 cell, we just type student number. For C1, we just type student name. For D1, we just type paper 1. E1, paper 2. F2, paper 3. G1 cell, we just type total on it. For H1, we just type percentage. And the last one, for I1, we just type grade. So, as you can see here, we can expand this column. How far it's up to you, how far that you want. So, student number will fully appear in here. So we will do the same thing in a C1 column. You just merge the cell. Yeah. So it will look much neat. So we just follow to copy this data, which is consists 20 people. So the next step is we want to calculate the total marks for student 1, which is the total is means paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. We will combine all these 3, then we will get the total. So in order to do that, we just click on G2 cell, then go to this more button, then go to this function and tap on sum. Okay, so as you can see, we want to calculate paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. So as you can see, for student 1, uh, his mark for paper 1 is 48, which is on D2 cell. So we just uh, type on this sum, this for that formula, D2. Alright, so we want to plus with paper 2, which is we just need to, as you can see, paper 2 marks is 90, which is at E2 cell. So we just type plus, which is shift plus, then E2 cell, E2. Alright, so we will use the same method for paper 3, which is plus, at plus, then F2 cell, which is where paper 3 marks are, F2. Okay, then you just type enter. As you can see, the total marks for student ones, which is combining all three papers, are appear. So you guys can check it by using calculator. So we will use the same method for student 2, which is Amirul Aiman bin Omar. We click on G2, G3 cell, then click on this function, then sum. Okay, then we just plus this one, another okay, which is 38, paper 1 at D3 cell. So we just type D3, then we plus for paper 2 E3, E3 plus F3. So then we click on enter. The total mark will appear there, 132. So the another method that you guys can try is you just click on this function, same thing. Then at here you just click on this D4 cell, which is paper 1 marks for Ashraf Fauzan, which is third student. Just double click on it. So as you can see, it will appear here. So the next step is you just plus, then click on paper 2 marks, which is on E to E4 cell. As you can see, it will appear here. Then we just plus, then you type on F4 cell, which is paper 3 marks for Ashraf Fauzan. Okay, then we just type enter. Alright, so from here I will teach you again for student, which is Bashar Darwish. So you just go to this function button option, and then tap on sum, then tap on this for paper 1 marks plus paper 2 marks, which is E5 plus, then paper 3 marks, then you just type enter. Okay, what will happen if you didn't put plus plus symbol? As you can see, I didn't put plus symbol here. I will make it in, and I will tap in enter. So as you can see, it will become an error. So in order to have a right answer, you must put a plus symbol. So we will do it again. Function sum, click on this, plus, click on this cell, plus, and last one, this cell, plus, then just press enter. As you can see, the total mark will appear. So another method that you guys can count the total marks a lot faster, much faster. So from here, as you can see, you just drag the cell all until the below, so until the 20 students. till here. So you just type enter. As you can see, the total mark for all students from uh, Daniel Akmal until the lowest one, which is Rahim bin Shah, it will appear. So that's the fastest method. So I will do it again. From here, you just tap on this. Then from here, you will see this plus symbol. So you just drag until the below, which is G21 cell. Then the total mark will appear there. That's for total. So to calculate percentage, which is mean, in order to get the percentage of each student, we have to combine paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 marks, which is we got the total here, over 200, then we multiply by 100. So we will get the percentage. So in order to do that, we just click on a more button, then go to function, sum, click on sum. So as you can see, it will appear here. So the total mark, as you can see here, is 184 over 200. And then click on this, then shift. As you can see, this we need to have this symbol, then multiply by 100. Alright, as you can see, the percentage for student 1 will appear here. So guys, as you can see, this symbol, this one, means multiply. So what will happen if we did not put it on in there? So we will try it. I will press enter. As you can see, it will appear error. So it is a must to put this symbol. It's just like a coding. If you are missing one term, your coding will not function. So the same thing goes for this formula. So if we are able to have this symbol, then we just type enter. As you can see, the percentage will appear. So for the second student, we will use the same method, but you can use the same method I have been told you before, which is we just click on this G3 cell, which is total marks for Amira Aiman, and then over 200. Then we go back in here, we just shift to get the symbol, then over multiply by 100. Alright, so the percentage will appear. So to make it more faster, you just drag all this until below, until the last student, then the percentage will appear. Right. So in order to determine each student grade, we have to refer back to the data from table 2, which is says that if the student receive 90 until 100 percentage, so she or he will receive A plus grade. So you just go to this spreadsheet again, type on this symbol, then we type if as open bracket, when you just type H2 cell, which is percentage for student 1. Then if you notice here, the student will receive A plus is if she or he receive 90 until 100, which is the student must have mark greater than 89. So on this spreadsheet, we just so greater 89, comma, space semicolon, a plus close, then comma. Again we just type if. So we will follow the following method for a plus, that. Then for A, the student have to receive 80 until 89, which is the mark have to greater than 79. So we just type 79 comma, spacing, yep. So A, for A, then close it, comma again, if again, bracket, sorry, we forgot to have h2 greater. Okay, so the same goes to this one, h2 greater. So for A minus, the student have to have mark 69, greater than 69, to in order to get A minus. 69 comma, okay, A minus, comma, if h2 greater than, check this out, so 64 greater than 64, just type 64 on here, comma, space. Yeah, so this is for B plus, close it, then comma again, if h2 greater than, if back to this, 59 okay, comma, this is for B, comma again, I'm sorry, if h2 greater than 54, then close it, sorry, colon, 54, I'm sorry, choose 54 for C plus. Don't forget to have this C plus. Right, close it, comma, if h2, then we just 54, refer back to this one, this 49, just for C, close it, colon, comma, if, then h2, so over must be greater 44. As well, which is for D, then comma, if bracket h2 greater than of greater than 39. So back to this one, 39, comma, space, 39, which is for what we call as E, so is it, comma, if H2 cell greater than 0, comma, which is for G or F. Alright. So as you can see, after we press enter, the grade for student 1 will appear here. So in order to check it, so as you can see, 92 is between 90 until 100. So the grade for first student are right. So as you can see, if H2 are greater than 89, which is the student will receive A plus grade. So if total of grade of the students one is much greater than 79, but lesser than 90, the student will receive A grade. So as you can see, the grade for student 1 are right. So in order to make it faster, go to here. We just go down all down until the 20 students. So as you can see, the grade for each students are here. So for second students, we will check it. So second student receive got 66%, which is 66 are between 65 and 69, which is she or he have to receive B plus grade. So we will check if Amir or Aiman, which is got 66%, got a B plus. So it is right. So the next what I want to show you is how to make your table more neatly. So in order to do that, we just drag all the way on table that you want. So we will make it on the central line. So for vertical, we will set a middle. Alright, so we will make it have a border, so all border. Alright, okay, done. So this is for the header. We will have the special one, which is we will have it in a color. So we just type on this fill color option. You can either choose what color you want, but for this table I wanted it on yellow color, so I will choose yellow. As you can see, the table are on yellow color. The header are in yellow color, sorry. So as you can see, our data was done. I think that's all from me. I'm so sorry if you find any difficulties to understand my word. Hopefully what I have been showing you just now can help you guys in the future, and I do hope that you will apply in your real life. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.